Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, yellow color, blue color, green color, red color, and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first we draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and here is black color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now I draw C. C for cat, C for car, and here is yellow color. The alphabets of C. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now I draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and here is blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. It's neither G. G for goat, G for grapes, and here is green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, neither I. I for ice, I for ice cream, and here is red color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, neither K. K for kite, K for king, and here is black color. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.